Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and today I am back in Las Vegas at the intersection of South Las Vegas Boulevard and Fremont Street. That's right, we're going to check out the Fremont Street experience today. It's been a while since I've been downtown Las Vegas, and I wanted to bring a video here. Nothing special, just a walk up and down the Fremont Street experience, check out what's going on. Like I said, I am at the intersection of Las Vegas Boulevard and Fremont Street. Las Vegas Boulevard further south from here is known as the Strip, but downtown here at the north end of the Las Vegas Boulevard, it's just known as, well, Las Vegas Boulevard. So we're going to be heading west. We're going to go all the way to the plaza, turn around and come back and just check out what's going on here at the Fremont Street experience today. We're just going to do a little walk. It's not going to be a lot of commentating, and we're not really going in any place as far as I know so far. And like I said, just a walk back and forth the entire Fremont Street experience to check out what's going on today. It's dusk. It's late in the afternoon, early evening. All the crazies aren't out yet. I'm sure we'll run into a couple of them along the way, but most of them are still home, so that's a good thing. And we'll check out all the places along the way. So let's check out the Fremont Street experience at dusk, shall we? This is Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. And shout out to Shantit Sima, who found Clarista Miss America crown in my last Atlantic City video. Resorts, Hotel, and Casino. Good going, Shantit. I believe this is 3rd Street, the intersection of 3rd and Fremont Street. And at this intersection, you have the D Las Vegas, 4 Queens, and the Fremont Hotel and Casino. Like I said, it's been a while since I've been here on Fremont Street, especially this time of the day. Actually, I don't think I've ever been here this time of the day, or I never made a video this time of the day, I should say. I have videos of the early morning, which the place is desolate. I have lots of videos late in the evening when all the crazies are out and this place is packed and there's concerts going on, and lots of videos with that. I have videos of a guided tour here on Fremont Street, but never this time of the day, so it's a first for me and you as far as the New York channel is concerned. We just crossed the street called Casino Center, and at that intersection we had the 4 Queens, Golden Nugget, Binions, and Fremont Hotel and Casino. Coming up here on the left is the iconic Vegas Vic sign, that cowboy there, and right across the street inside the Circa is his bride, Vegas Vicky. She came about in the 80s. He's been around a lot longer, but she came about in the 80s. Both have been restored. She is inside now at the Circa. Also on the right hand side, right in front of the Circa, is one of 3 stages here on Fremont Street. They're all in use pretty much in the evenings. We already passed one. Like I said, there's one right here in front of the Circa, and then there's one right in front of the plaza, which we're going to see in a moment. This is the third and last stage here on Fremont Street, and it's right between the Circa and the Golden Gate, and right in front of the plaza. The Golden Gate, by the way, on the left-hand side, the oldest hotel and casino here in Las Vegas, pretty much where this town got its start. And the Circa on the right-hand side is the newest hotel and casino here in the downtown area, and they have the same owner, Derek Stevens, and his brother. They also own the D, which we passed earlier in this video. And straight ahead, pretty much the dead end here on the Fremont Street experience, is the plaza, which is going to undergo lots of changes in the next year or two. If you read the community room here on the New York channel, you'll know what those changes are, but I can just say that there's going to be indoor-outdoor gaming, lots of, just a whole lot of stuff going on here at the plaza. Make sure you check out that community room and you'll know what's going on, and I can't wait to revisit it when everything is done. Some other hotels and casinos just off Fremont Street that we're not visiting or walking by today are the Main Street Station, the California Hotel and Casino, the Downtown Grand Hotel and Casino, and the El Cortez. All those and all the ones that we passed today are here on the New York channel. Alrighty, we're gonna turn around here and head back to where we started, and if you're digging this video, why not give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, subscribe to the New York channel. It really does help the channel out. Thanks a lot.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're with my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
A new feature on the New York channel is the Super Thanks button, which is close to that thumbs up button that I know you've already clicked on. Clicking on that Super Thanks button not only shows your support for the New York channel, but really helps the channel grow. And doing so will let you leave a colorful comment pinned above all other comments here on this video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.